guys, today I want to show you this cake slime I made, and I'm really proud of it. Looks so cute. Swirl, sprinkles, and drizzle, and of course a cake shopkin. So yeah, let's start mixing. Okay, so here's the slime. So yeah, so I'm gonna take off this cake charm / shopkin, and I'm gonna get this out. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna let you see it on the table. Okay. Ooh, nice squish to cover up that glue. Sprinkles. The reason I made this slime for the cake slime is because it came with these really cute sprinkles. And if you're wondering where I got this slime, I will link the video down in the description below. So yeah, it's all mixed up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!